Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain how to create Notary Cam account and notarize epic identification form with Notary Cam. Please keep in mind this is second step in epic verification process. If you don't have epic account, watch my first video of epic verification series regarding how to create epic account and download epic identification form. So once you download your epic identification form, next step is to notarize it with Notary Cam. For that you need to have a Notary Cam account. To create Notary Cam account, first you will open email on which you received your epic identification number. Then you will click on the link of the Notary Cam given there. I am talking about this link. When you click on this link, you will come to this tab. Here you will click on complete your epic identification form. Form 186 on left side is for USMLE candidates. Anyhow, when you click on complete your epic identification form, you will be asked, do you have a Notary Cam account? As you are new to Notary Cam, you will click on I want a new account. Here you will enter your email address, first name, last name, country code and phone number. Then you will be asked to confirm your email address. You will receive a mail on your email account in which a link will be provided to verify your email address. You will click on that link, then this tab will open. Here you can see that they have created a password for you. You can either save that password and use for future login purposes, or you can create your own password by clicking on set a custom password. Here you will enter your new password and click on continue. Then you will sign into your Notary Cam account by entering your email and password. So you will arrive at this tab. To use Notary Cam, you will need the PDF file of your EIF, that is your epic identification form, your original passport and a computer with a webcam. However, you can also do this on your mobile phone. You will scroll down. As you have both the PDF of EIF and color image of your passport, you will select yes in both fields and click on continue. Before moving forward, if you think this video is helpful, do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos. So in the next step, you will upload your epic identification form and your passport. Then you will enter your epic ID and give consent to Notary Cam. Here you will allow Notary Cam to test your camera and microphone to make sure that both are working well, because after the next few steps you will be connected to a notary with whom you will have a little chat on video call regarding your ID verification. So you will click on begin tests. After testing microphone and camera, you will have to verify your identity. You will click on start ID verification. Here you will select your country and then you will select ID document. After that you will upload the photo of that document. Next you will be asked, are you ready to meet with a notary or you want to schedule meeting? If you want to join meeting right away, you will click on I am ready to join. Next you will arrive at this waiting room. Here you will wait for notary. Waiting time can vary from 20 minutes to sometimes even hours. However, even so, I would personally prefer and suggest you to wait rather than schedule meeting, because usually the appointment dates available to schedule meeting can be 15 to 20 days later, and even on that day you may also have to wait. So once your meeting with notary is finished, you will receive this email stating that we have received your epic identification form. and within 3 business days your Epic identification form will be accepted. After that, you will log into your Epic account, and in identity documents you will see that your Epic identification form has been accepted. So next step is to upload and verify your credentials, including your medical degree and house job certificate, which I have explained in the next video. So make sure to watch that video regarding how to upload and verify your degree and house job certificate on Epic.